Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open a new message or any other area where you can open a keyboard. And once you see the keyboard, all you have to do to change it is to click on Settings icon, then select Languages and Types, and here click on Manage Input Languages. Choose the language that you want to use. So let me unmark the previous languages. So mark the one that you want to use. You can stay with one language only, or you can have up to 4 languages here. And then once you go back, you will be able to see. Just give it a second. Okay, so here it is. You'll be able to see brand new keyboard language. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.